By following these tips, you can help protect your computer from security threats and browse safely online. Keep your software up to date. Make sure that your operating system, web browser, antivirus software, and other software are all up to date. Updates often include security fixes that can help protect your computer from vulnerabilities. Use a reputable antivirus software. Install and use a reputable antivirus software to protect your computer from viruses, malware, and other security threats. Make sure to keep your antivirus software up to date. Use a secure web browser. Use a web browser that supports encryption and has security features, such as Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Make sure to keep your web browser up to date. Be careful when downloading files. Download files only from reputable websites, and be cautious of any pop-ups or requests to install additional software. Use strong passwords. Create strong passwords that are difficult to guess and use different passwords for different accounts. You can also use a password manager to generate and store your passwords securely. Avoid phishing scams. Be cautious of emails or websites that ask for personal information or login credentials. Never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown sources. Use a VPN. Consider using a virtual private network (VPN) to encrypt your internet connection and protect your privacy when browsing the internet. Use two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication whenever possible to add an extra layer of security to your accounts. Be cautious on public Wi-Fi. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for sensitive activities, such as online banking or shopping. If you need to use public Wi-Fi, consider using a VPN to protect your connection. Back up your data. Regularly back up your important data to an external hard drive or cloud storage service to protect against data loss due to security breaches or hardware failure. Please share and subscribe the video.